Today we will see how to create a very attractive presentation using AI in a very short time. First, open the web browser. Then type Gamma AI in it. Then click on the first link that comes up. I have mentioned the link in the description. Click on the Sign Up for Free button. Then click on the Continue with Google button. Here, select your Gmail and click on the Continue button. First, we are asked 4 questions. Give this personal use. Give this design. Give this create presentation from scratch. Give this YouTube or LinkedIn. Now click on Generate here. Now we have to create the presentation. From here, select the number of slides we want. I select 8 cards. Then type the topic you want the presentation to be about. I type AI in everyday life. Then click the button called Generate Outline. Now the outline of the presentation will be created. Now click the Generate button. Now the entire presentation will be generated. Yes. Now the presentation has been generated. Look, the presentation has been created very attractively with images. We can make any changes we want. We can use any theme here by clicking this theme button. Look, they are very beautiful. we can see a preview here by clicking this present button. Looks good. Now click these three dots and click this export button. Now click on Export to PowerPoint here. Now this will download. Yes, it has been downloaded. Let's open it and see. Yes, we were able to create a very good and attractive presentation in a very short time. So if the video is good, like and share it. Remember to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon. Then you can watch it as soon as we upload a video.